What's up, bitches? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing an eyebrow tutorial on how to get these funky ass, ugly ass eyebrows. So I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and I'm just kind of carving out the brow what I want it to look like. And yeah. Yeah, guys, I already did my other eyebrow. I forgot to tell y'all. But now I'm just filling it in with however much product I want. And then in the front, I'm going to kind of use a light hand to make sure I don't get that really harsh boxed eyebrow. I'm just going to brush it all out with my spoolie and call it a motherfucking day. After I done carve it out and everything, I'm just kind of cleaning up with my finger to my desired eyebrow look. And yeah. Now I'm taking the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Medium, and it doesn't focus because my phone's a piece of shit. And I'm just gonna use that to outline my brows. And now I'm just using my spoolie to brush it out, because sometimes when you do concealer, it kind of takes away from the brow, or sometimes you'll mess up. So I'm just kind of going back in to get the color back and just fix my brows, basically. And a little kiss break. I had to get a little with my boo-boo. And he shows illegal products in this video. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this brow tutorial. I know it was all over the damn place and it wasn't even that good, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it at least. But I love you guys. Make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe. Of course, you can see more of me. The fuck. Love you. Bye.